inherited an OR6 file from the Lotus Organizer era of personal information management. These legacy files contain calendars and contacts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening Lotus Organizer 6 files for data recovery and migration. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the OR6 format, but we'll attack the top issues first. An .or6 file is a data file created by Lotus Organizer 6, a personal information manager, PIM software. It stores a user's personal data, including calendar events, contacts, to-do lists, and notes, in a digital binder format. Users search for this to access or migrate old personal data. The .or6 format is a proprietary database-like binary file. Its structure was designed to mimic a physical ring binder with different sections for different types of information. This object-oriented design allowed for efficient storage and quick access to various data types within a single, self-contained file. To maintain file fidelity, use IBM Lotus Organizer developed by IBM to Open OR6. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. To guarantee file access, right-click your OR6 file and select Open With. If IBM Lotus Organizer is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If the OR6 file won't budge, stay calm. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in Lotus Organizer. Install Lotus Organizer 6 if available from legacy archives or original installation media. Use File then Open to load the OR6 file with all calendar contact and task data intact. The software's notebook interface displays information in its familiar paper organizer style, enabling continued data access for users with extensive Lotus Organizer histories. Next, migrating to Modern PIM. Export OR6 data from Lotus Organizer. Using File, then export to common formats like vCard for contacts, iCalendar for appointments, and CSV for tasks. Import these standard formats into modern PIM solutions like Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, or Apple Calendar. The migration preserves your personal information management data in actively supported platforms. Finally, long-term archival. For long-term archival, print key information to PDF format using Lotus Organizer's print to PDF functionality, producing software-independent records. PDF copies remain accessible without requiring legacy. Lotus Organizer software, ensuring permanent retention of important historical personal information beyond the lifecycle of legacy software platforms, increasingly difficult to install on modern systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.